Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using FlexOffers. FlexOffers, an in-depth affiliate network review. Today, we're taking a close look at the FlexOffers affiliate network. This platform connects affiliates with over 12,000 advertisers, providing access to a diverse marketplace of products and services. From finance and travel to tech and retail, FlexOffers boasts an extensive catalog spanning numerous niches. This variety is a major advantage, offering something for everyone, whether you're a seasoned affiliate marketer or just starting out. New to affiliate marketing? FlexOffers provides a user-friendly experience. The sign-up process is simple, and the platform itself is easy to navigate. Once approved, you can quickly start browsing and selecting offers that align with your audience. The dashboard is well designed, giving you the essential tools to monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions. A dedicated support team is also available to assist with any questions or challenges you may encounter, which is invaluable for beginners. For more experienced affiliates, FlexOffers delivers robust real-time reporting. This granular data allows for in-depth performance analysis across various campaigns, enabling you to optimize your strategies for maximum profitability. The platform also offers competitive commission rates and a diverse range of payout methods, simplifying income management. A significant perk of FlexOffers is its partnerships with smaller advertisers, many of whom aren't readily accessible on larger networks. This translates to less competition and potentially greater opportunities for growth. While FlexOffers presents many advantages, it's important to be aware of some potential drawbacks. The approval process for individual advertisers can sometimes be lengthy. Additionally, the payout threshold is higher compared to some other affiliate networks. While the sheer number of advertisers is impressive, some might not be as recognizable as those found on platforms like Commission Junction or Share a Sale. Therefore, locating top-tier brands might require a bit more effort. In conclusion, FlexOffers is a robust and reliable affiliate network, especially for those seeking access to a broad range of advertisers and flexible payment options. Its beginner-friendly interface combined with advanced tools for experienced marketers makes it a versatile platform for scaling your affiliate business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the description for more information and helpful resources.